So this is my second or third video I'll be making about ACNFt. I made a video about ACNFt about 3 weeks ago, and some of those NFTs I talked about in my previous video, I discovered that some of them, in short, almost all of them have actually appreciated in price. Like this particular one, as at when I made that video 3 weeks ago, I think the price was still at about $18 or thereabout. Okay, you can see it started from $10 and now it's 23. Let's say it's getting to $24. Okay, so you can see some other NFT. There's this particular one, this alien Grusso that I talked about. You can see then it started from 9.99 USDT and today is 14.84 USDT. Okay, so these NFTs they're actually appreciating in price, and aside the appreciation in price, you can also earn 2% daily on those NFTs. Okay, if you come into this project and you get any of the NFTs, you'll be earning 2% daily on those NFTs. Okay, and whenever you want to sell any of those NFTs, you can see the sell button here. Okay, you can see the buy button. If you buy and you want to sell, you just go ahead and click on this sell. It takes you automatically to how you'll be able to sell those NFTs. Okay, now in this particular one, you can see this one is 300 and is they publish 365 and it's just only 7 that is left, right? So if you look at this price now, this one started from let's say 10 USDT here, and now it's 52 USDT. Personally, I will not advise you to buy it at this particular price, because it has actually appreciated far beyond the initial price. So you can see from $10 to $52. So I will not advise you to buy this. Rather, I will show you some that we soon be launching. Okay, so you're going to come up here and you're going to click on this NFT preview. Now, for you to gain access to this website, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of this video. Just check that first link in the description of the video. That link is going to bring you here. Okay, make sure you click the right link. You don't go and click any link outside and get into any scam website, please. So click on this NFT preview. Let's click on this NFT preview, so we'll get to see some NFTs that will be launching very soon. You can see all those ones are sold out. You can see all those ones are sold out. This one published 198 and leftover is 0, meaning you don't have anything to buy. You can see they say sell out here. Okay, so these ones are sold out. So let's scroll down and look at for some that are about to launch. Those ones, I think I saw some that are about to launch on the 10th or thereabouts. Okay, so here you can see this particular one, this Remiel. You can see it will be launching on the 10th of February. Now I'm making this video on the 7th of it will be launching on the 10th of March, and I'm making this video on the 7th of March. Okay, so take note of the date. On the 10th of March it will be launching. The launching price will be 10 with 100 USDT. Okay, so you can decide to buy as much as you want here, and they are publishing just 200 pieces of this. Okay, if you scroll down, you're going to see that this one also will be launching on the 10th of March, right? And they are publishing 1,000 pieces of this. Okay, and you can see this. This is the price that is going to be starting with, right? So if you scroll down, you're going to see so many other ones. This one will be on the 15th, and it will be selling for 100 USDT, and as the price appreciates, you keep making more profit on the price difference while you still earn your 2% daily. Okay, so what you need to know is this: the price, the date of the price. You can see the update here. Okay, it keeps changing at this particular hours. Okay, that is the prices. The updated prices will keep changing, and you just keep an eye on this particular update time. Okay, so it keeps changing right at this particular time. Okay, so now for you to get any of those NFTs, okay, you need USDT. Okay, so let me quickly show you how that actually works. Okay, so you're going to come down here. Okay, you click on this mine after you must have signed up. You click on this mine. You see this recharge here. You're going to click on this recharge, right? Then you're going to come here. You're going to put in the amount of money. Let's assume you want to put in $200. Okay, you put in this $200. You're going to click here. You're going to choose USDT TRC20. Then you're going to click on this payment. Now when you click on this payment, the system is going to generate this payment address for you. Okay, this USDT address. All you just need to do is just to copy this address, go to your exchange. It could be Binance, it could be Bybit, KuCoin, Coinbase, whichever. It could be any of those DeFi URL space like MetaMask. Just send the amount of money you want to deposit to this wallet from there, and the money will be credited into your wallet. Now if that money is credited into your wallet, that money is going to show here. Okay, you're going to see the amount of the USDT you sent in, and it's going to show here. Now after you have it here, the next thing you're going to be doing is to come down here, right? You click on this markets. Now when you click on this market, it's going to bring you here, and you'll be able to buy the NFT you want to buy. Okay, like I rightly told you, for the ones that will be launching very soon, you have to come to this NFT preview. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, me showing you how you can actually get one of those NFT, I'm going to go ahead and buy one. So just to show you exactly how to make your purchase of this NFT. Okay, so let's scroll down and look for one that got launched not quite long. Okay, then we're going to make a purchase of that particular one. Let's scroll down a bit and look for one. Okay, I would have loved to buy this, but you can see they've sold out this particular one. Okay, you can see this one got launched on the 5th of March, but it's sold out. That's why you see this left over is 0. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, like I rightly said, we're going to be buying one just to show you how this thing actually works. Okay, so let's quickly buy this. Okay, you can see this one, they actually published 1,000 of this, right? And the leftover is 11. Okay, so let's quickly buy this. Let me show you how to buy. We're going to click on this buy here. Okay, it's going to bring us here, right? Then you're going to click on this this particular point where it says 0 here. That's, you're going to choose the amount of NFT you want, right? Then you're going to click here. So I'm going to be buying one, but if you want to buy 2, 3, 4, 10, okay, whichever amount you want, you can buy here, provided they have it available. Okay, then I'm going to come down. Like you can see, my address are shown here, and you can see up here my balance is shown here. So just make sure you have enough USDT here that can cover the cost of whatever you are buying. For this particular one, I'm paying 13.38 here. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here. Okay, and I'm going to click on this buy. Now the creator, the fee on this is just 5%. Okay, then I'm going to click on this buy. Okay, so it's going to load, and it's going to take me, right? You can see I just bought this one. Okay, I just bought this one now, right? So let me quickly go down, then come down here and click on this mine here. Okay, so down here now I'm going to go down to let me just show you what I just bought. So you're going to come to my collections here. Okay, you're going to see this collection, click on this collection. Okay, so you see the one I just bought here, right? This is what I just bought here now, right? So it's going to be appreciating for me every day. Okay, and whenever you want to sell, you can just click on this sell and you're going to sell it. Okay, so guys, having said all that, remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you projects that I am into and projects that I feel I should make reviews about. Okay, I'm not by any way your financial advisor. So if you want to get into any project, okay, make sure you do your own due diligence. Okay, one thing I want you to understand, something that is very important that you need to do for you to keep your account safe, and also for you to be able to make withdrawal whenever you want to make withdrawal, is this Google key. Okay, you have to make sure that you get this thing synchronized with your Google key, bind it, so that whenever you want to make your withdrawal, you'll be able to make your withdrawal without any kind of delay. Because if you don't do that, somebody can actually gain access to your account and they can steal your funds. So for your own safety, it's better you get this Google Authenticator connected to your account. Okay, I'll be making subsequent videos concerning this project as time goes on. Okay, so I want to believe you got value from this video now. Okay, remember, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of the video. Okay, do take care of yourself, and bye bye.